Relationship names for your mum's side of the family. Great-grandparents. For your great-granddad, it's Pernanna, and for your great-grandma, it's Pernanni. Your grandparents are your Nanna for your grandpa and Nanni for grandma. Your mum's older or younger brother is your Mama. And if they're married, his wife is your Mummy. Your mum's older or younger sister is your Masi. And if your Masi is married, her husband is your Masard. Any cousins are your Chachera Pra or Chacheri Pan. These are the formal terms for your cousins, but it's normal to just say pra or pan. So for any cousin brothers that are older than you could say virji, paji, praji, and for any younger cousin brothers, you can just call them by their name. Same with cousin sisters. So if your cousin sisters are older than you can call them Benji, Didi, but if they're younger than you can just call them by their name. Just a little tip is to add G at the end of these relationships. This word holds a lot of value because it shows respect, that you respect your elders. So for example, your Mama Mummy would actually be Mama G, Mummy G. Your Masi Masard would be Masi G and Masard G. Pernanna G, Pernanni G. Similarly, Nanna G and Nanni G. Let's go over some Punjabi relationship names for your dad's side of the family. So your great-grandparents, so your dad's mum and dad are your Pardada for your great-granddad and Pardadi for your great-grandmum. But you can also call them Bibi and Baba. For your grandparents, your dad's mum and dad are your Dada for granddad and Dadi for grandma, or Baba for granddad and Bibi for grandma. Your dad's older brother or any of his older cousin brothers are your Taya. And his wife is your Tai. Taya and Tai. Your dad's younger brother or any of his younger cousin brothers are your Chacha. And his wife is your Chachi. Your aunt from your dad's side, so your dad's sister or any cousin sisters are your Pua. And your Pua's husband is your Puppad. And any cousins from any of these relationships are your Chachere Para, which is cousin brothers, or Chacheri Pen, which is cousin sister. Chachera and Chacheri are the formal terms for cousins in Punjabi, but most people just say bra, bhain, which means brother or sister. Let's summarize one more time. Your great-grandparents are your pardada and pardadi, or just bibi and baba. Grandparents are dada, dadi, baba, bibi. Your dad's older brother is your taya. His wife is your tai. Your dad's younger brother is your chacha, and his wife is your chachi. And any cousins are your chichera pra or chicheri bhain. And your dad's sister is your pua, and her husband is your puppar.